出差，出差，出差。
Business trip.
Business trip.
明天我要去北京出差。明天我要去北京出差。明天我要去北京出差。
I'm going to Beijing on a business trip tomorrow.
I'm going to Beijing on a business trip tomorrow.
我刚从北京出差回来。我刚从北京出差回来。我刚从北京出差回来。
I just came back from a business trip to Beijing.
I just came back from a business trip to Beijing.
他担任翻译员常到国外出差。他担任翻译员常到国外出差。他担任翻译员常到国外出差。
He often travels abroad as a translator.
He often travels abroad as a translator.
毛巾，毛巾，毛巾。
Towel.
Towel.
洗脸、洗脚和洗澡的毛巾必须分开使用。洗脸、洗脚和洗澡的毛巾必须分开使用。洗脸、洗脚和洗澡的毛巾必须分开使用。
Towels for face washing, foot washing and bathing must be used separately.
Towels for face washing, foot washing and bathing must be used separately.
毛巾一定要单独使用，不可共用。毛巾一定要单独使用，不可共用。毛巾一定要单独使用，不可共用。
Towels must be used individually and cannot be shared.
Towels must be used individually and cannot be shared.
红色的毛巾是你的，蓝色的毛巾是我的。红色的毛巾是你的，蓝色的毛巾是我的。红色的毛巾是你的，蓝色的毛巾是我的。
The red towel is yours. The blue towel is mine.
The red towel is yours. The blue towel is mine.
牙膏，牙膏，牙膏。
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste.
每天用牙膏刷牙3次，每次坚持3分钟。每天用牙膏刷牙3次，每次坚持3分钟。每天用牙膏刷牙3次，每次坚持3分钟。
Brush your teeth with toothpaste 3 times a day for 3 minutes each time.
Brush your teeth with toothpaste 3 times a day for 3 minutes each time.
用牙膏刷牙可以预防蛀牙。用牙膏刷牙可以预防蛀牙。用牙膏刷牙可以预防蛀牙。
Brushing your teeth with toothpaste can prevent cavities.
Brushing your teeth with toothpaste can prevent cavities.
牙膏除了清洁牙齿外，还可以清洁银器。牙膏除了清洁牙齿外，还可以清洁银器。牙膏除了清洁牙齿外，还可以清洁银器。
In addition to cleaning teeth, toothpaste can also clean silverware.
In addition to cleaning teeth, toothpaste can also clean silverware.
重，重，重。
Heavy.
Heavy.
这个手提箱很重。这个手提箱很重。这个手提箱很重。
This suitcase is very heavy.
This suitcase is very heavy.
这个箱子太重了，我搬不动。这个箱子太重了，我搬不动。这个箱子太重了，我搬不动。
This box is too heavy for me to move.
This box is too heavy for me to move.
行李箱已经够重了，不能再放进去了。行李箱已经够重了，不能再放进去了。行李箱已经够重了，不能再放进去了。
The suitcase is already heavy enough and I can't put any more in it.
The suitcase is already heavy enough and I can't put any more in it.
行，行，行。
All right. Okay.
All right. Okay.
我的电脑不能修理了，怎么办？我的电脑不能修理了，怎么办？我的电脑不能修理了，怎么办？
My computer cannot be repaired. What should I do?
My computer cannot be repaired. What should I do?
买一个新的不就行了？买一个新的不就行了？买一个新的不就行了？
Wouldn't it be enough to just buy a new one?
Wouldn't it be enough to just buy a new one?
这个周末你能帮我搬家吗？这个周末你能帮我搬家吗？这个周末你能帮我搬家吗？
Can you help me move this weekend?
Can you help me move this weekend?
行，没问题。行，没问题。行，没问题。
Okay, no problem.
Okay, no problem.
你认为这样做行不行？你认为这样做行不行？你认为这样做行不行？
Do you think this will work?
Do you think this will work?
行，就这样做吧。行，就这样做吧。行，就这样做吧。
Okay, just do it.
Okay, just do it.
省，省，省。
Economize. Save.
Economize. Save.
为了省更多的钱，他每天都省吃俭用。为了省更多的钱，他每天都省吃俭用。为了省更多的钱，他每天都省吃俭用。
In order to save more money, she scrimped every day.
In order to save more money, she scrimped every day.
为了省一点钱，反而让你花更多的钱。为了省一点钱，反而让你花更多的钱。为了省一点钱，反而让你花更多的钱。
In order to save a little money, it makes you spend more money.
In order to save a little money, it makes you spend more money.
我们要努力赚钱，而不是想着如何省钱。我们要努力赚钱，而不是想着如何省钱。我们要努力赚钱，而不是想着如何省钱。
We have to work hard to make money, not think about how to save money.
We have to work hard to make money, not think about how to save money.
污染，污染，污染。
Pollute.
Pollute.
森林火灾造成空气污染。森林火灾造成空气污染。森林火灾造成空气污染。
Wildfire cause air pollution.
Wildfire cause air pollution.
塑料会给环境带来严重的污染。塑料会给环境带来严重的污染。塑料会给环境带来严重的污染。
Plastics can cause serious pollution to the environment.
Plastics can cause serious pollution to the environment.
环境污染给人们带来烦恼。环境污染给人们带来烦恼。环境污染给人们带来烦恼。
Environmental pollution brings troubles to people.
Environmental pollution brings troubles to people.
谢谢观看。